The flying coffins of World War I. Origins of term. Flying coffins was a colloquial term used to describe the early fighter planes of World War I due to their high mortality rates and the dangers faced by pilots. Open cockpits. World War I aircraft had open cockpits, exposing pilots to the elements and making them vulnerable to enemy fire, especially at high altitudes. Lack of protection. Early planes lacked essential safety features, and pilots had limited protection, contributing to the nickname, flying coffins. Flimsy construction. Aircraft of this era were often flimsily constructed, and the materials used provided little protection in the event of a crash or combat damage. Inadequate training. Pilots received limited training compared to modern standards, leading to a higher likelihood of accidents and casualties. Engine reliability issues. Engine technology was still developing, and mechanical failures were common, sometimes resulting in fatal crashes. Wood and canvas construction. Many planes were constructed using wood and canvas, materials that offered minimal protection against enemy fire. Limited visibility. Pilots had limited visibility due to the design of aircraft, making it challenging to detect incoming threats. Unstable flight. Some early planes had unstable flight characteristics, making them difficult to control, especially for inexperienced pilots. Vulnerable to ground fire. Low-flying aircraft were vulnerable to ground-based anti-aircraft fire, further increasing the risks faced by pilots. Role of biplanes and triplanes. Biplanes and triplanes were prevalent during World War I, known for their agility but also for their vulnerability. Evolution of tactics. As air combat evolved, pilots developed tactics to mitigate risks, including the use of formations and synchronized machine guns. Aerial combat challenges. Aerial combat posed numerous challenges, including the risk of mid-air collisions, navigating through enemy territory, and surviving dogfights. High casualty rates. The mortality rate among World War I pilots was high, with many losing their lives in combat or accidents. Innovations in air warfare. Despite the risks, World War I witnessed innovations in air warfare, including the introduction of fighter aces and new aircraft designs. Dangers of reconnaissance missions. Reconnaissance missions were crucial but perilous, requiring pilots to fly deep into enemy territory for intelligence gathering. Aces and legends. Despite the dangers, some pilots became aces, achieving multiple victories in dogfights, while others became legends for their daring exploits. Importance of air superiority. Control of the skies was crucial for ground forces, leading to intense air battles to establish air superiority. Psychological toll on pilots. Pilots faced not only physical dangers but also psychological stress, knowing the risks associated with each mission. Improvements in aircraft design. Over the course of the war, aircraft design improved, incorporating lessons learned from early experiences. Legacy in aviation. The sacrifices of early aviators paved the way for advancements in aviation safety and technology in the years that followed. Recognition and commemoration. The bravery and sacrifices of World War I pilots are commemorated through memorials, museums, and historical accounts. Impact on military strategy. The role of air power in World War I had a profound impact on military strategy, influencing the development of air forces in subsequent conflicts. Historical perspective. Understanding the challenges faced by World War I pilots provides a historical perspective on the evolution of aerial warfare. Contributions to aviation safety. The experiences of early aviators contributed to advancements in aviation safety, shaping the future of military and civilian flying.